talking for this time?
Yeah, of course. So we've got some papaya, banana, and star fruit, and this is the abiu that we picked. Right. And so,
Can we click this?
let's see if I can cut it.
Can we click this in?
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Well, hopefully I can cut it. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really sweet. I really like abiu. It kind of tastes like star apple, which is, it's kind of like a purple version of the abiu. But the only thing I forgot, because I haven't eaten it in so long, if you scrape the skin, it gets kind of latexy. Oh, it's so good. And then I love star fruit. It's also really good because it helps to whiten your teeth. But I just love it. It's like, it just looks so beautiful. I really enjoy to eat it. And yeah, after that, we're gonna get some of these papaya seeds and we're gonna plant them into trees so that we can have fruit in about 9 months. So good.
It's the other one. Oh my gosh, it's the other one. It's this one.
So you just scoop out the seeds and then I just eat it. This is one of my favorite fruits.
Why?
Hey, give thanks, highest prayers. Bless the lamb, malamakono. Bless the house, bless the people. Malama aina, take care of that which feeds us. Aloha. Gosh, how you doing? He's such a model. Okay, awesome. So right here, we got the papaya seeds. How do they feel?
They feel weird.
They feel really weird, huh? So papaya seeds are actually really good for parasites. They'll pretty much cleanse any parasites out of your system. And I've heard that I don't know if you want to call it a contraceptive, but I know in males it'll make sperm infertile, and I believe the same is for women though. You'd have to check me on that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and plant the seeds, guys. Just poke a hole in the dirt like this and then put one seed in there and then just cover it. Good job.
There's only holes.
Yes, good job, you guys. So proud of you.
No, you have to make the hole.
So yeah, in about 9 months, we should have a bunch of strawberry papayas, and these are non-GMO.
But how do you know some plant is what?
Yeah, so we have about
The ones that you've done
13
move,
trees.
so that you know that you've done it.
And really excited. It's so nice to plant fruit trees. There's just something about it. It just feels so good to my being. Abundance.
I try to get all the black ones.
Oh, this is our medicine harvest. What kind of medicine are we gonna make?
We're gonna make it called something called a miracle medicine.
Wow.
And it's very simple. Just everything has to be in small bits with water. And then you put it on your skin when you get like mosquito bites or a cough. You can use it for anything that you have wrong with your body. That's why they call it a miracle, because it's so easy to make. And right now, all I really need is, I'll show you inside the house and then show you what I need to get.
So, it's the inside of the house. It's like a really beautiful tiny house. And this is the kitchen. It's a little messy because the kids have been doing their thing, but I love the wood. And yeah, they've got like a compost toilet. This is one of the most high-tech compost toilets I've ever seen. It smells wonderful in here too, in case y'all were wondering. But yeah, this is how it works. You like use like pull this lever, and then you just put like 2 scoops of like I think this is sawdust or some type of medium. But you just add that, and then there's like no smell, and there's really no like sewage line required. And then the beautiful thing is that you can use the compost to feed the trees, so 0 waste and 100% sustainable, which I'm all about. And then this is the upstairs. Are we allowed to go up there? Yeah. I want to see you go up there. Oh yeah, we're gonna go see the medicine. We gotta finish making the medicine first.
And then I just got a jar with water. And then this is, we have the herbs ready, and all we gotta do is put the herbs in the water,
Careful.
and we have to make it sit for like over 2 nights.
Okay.
And then it'll be made. Oh god, I don't know how I'm gonna fit all this in.
Zulu. Hey, Baba Shne. Thank you, Dr. Mika. You saved my life. So we're going to the jungle right now. Oh, girl. But yeah, you can hear. Yeah, good. You're on video right now, girl. It's so fun though. Oh man, it's been so long since I've like been in the jungle. I just climbed the ulu tree. That felt so good. Felt like a real human being again. I'm a city slicker, but I ain't afraid to be a fruit picker. You feel me? Yeah, I feel like the most profound wisdom that I've received in my life has always been when I've been in the forest, especially the jungle. I don't know why, but I just have such a deep connection to it, as we all do, because this is our, you know, our Earth Mother, spaceship Earth. Now we're at the river. The only thing is the mosquitoes. That's like the only thing I'm not a huge fan of, but at the same time I do believe mosquitoes are kind of like nature's vaccines, and I just like to think like, oh, I'm getting an acupuncture treatment whenever I get eaten up by them. But also I've noticed that the longer you live in a place, the less the mosquitoes bite you, so it's kind of like an immunization for sure. And so yeah, we're at the river now. I dare you.
To come with me.
Okay, I will. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Uli! What are you doing in here?
Who's Uli?
My cat.
Really? Is that the cat?
Yeah.
She followed us in here. This little jungle cat. She's like your spirit guide. Huh. Hey, Nika, crossing the river. You can. You get it, girl. Keep going. Don't ever give up. Hey, she made it to the other side. She made it to civilization. It's a spirit tree? Wow. It's the mother tree.
This tree, we call it the wishing tree.
You call it the wishing tree. How come?
People write notes on it
Wow.
and say how much they love it. And it goes
Wow. You can just feel the mana, like the life force in this tree. And look how
You
big
don't
the
want to miss
roots
anything
are.
at the forest. You know why I took you this time, Auntie?
Why?
It's a magical time.
It's a magical time? How come?
Because it's 7/7.
Whoa, she's so in tune. Like, man, I wish I could be on her level.
We're going somewhere. Now come on.
Okay, I'm coming. So feisty.
And this is what the shower's gonna be. But there's gonna be a shower like coming out. And then,
It's gonna be solar powered, right?
yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. They've already got a solar powered shower at the house, which is pretty amazing. Because most of the showers out here, well, and anywhere in general, kind of run off of propane. The only issue is like today, it's kind of cloudy, so you might not get hot water on those days, but it's definitely sustainable. And oh, I just love to see the albizia trees in the wind. They're just so alive.